Top 5 Best Cupcake Stands. Surprising cupcake stand hacks you need to try. If you dream of towers of cupcakes and have the talents in the kitchen to make them, then one of these stands will be excellent for shining a spotlight on your baking skills. Coming in a range of styles and capacities, from a small handful to dozens of desserts, one of these models will work for home and pastry shop use, as well as for parties, weddings, and other events. Best belay devices. Best belay devices for climbing rock walls. Yest by 4-tier cupcake stand acrylic cupcake.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us something pudding. Oh, bring us something pudding. Oh, bring us something pudding and bring it right here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Partito Bella 3-tier swiveling plate rack crazy sale.
We inspire the joy of creativity in everyone, everywhere, every day. Since 1929, Wilton has been helping home bakers and cake decorators all over the world create sweet treats and beautiful desserts by giving them the tools to make it fun and easy. The Wilton name is known around the world for cake decorating, candy making, bakeware, and party products. At Wilton,
As seen on Shark Tank cupcake stand.
Partito Bella.
Zoe Chloe Ferris wheel cupcake
At the
stand.
Smart Baker, we take pride in inspiring others to have fun baking and discover their creative side. We create smart products that make your time in the kitchen easier. Whether it's our perfect parchment, our reusable and adjustable cupcake and treat towers, or our cheat sheet aprons, we want to help you be a better baker.
3-tier round cupcake stand rainbow cake stand crazy sale.
Introducing
think about where you want, bucket down gun. Where you want that pie down fun. Where you want, bucket down gun. Get cracking, get cracking.
with no assembly required. Zoe's
To think about where you want, bucket down gun. Where you want that pie down fun. Where you want, bucket down gun. Get cracking, get cracking. To think about where you want, bucket down gun. Where you want that pie down fun. Where you want, bucket down gun. Get cracking, get cracking.
Zoe and Chloe cupcake Ferris wheel stand.
To think about where you want, bucket down